Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I decided to create a weekly Amazon news video. What's happening within the Amazon community? What kind of changes Amazon bringing weekly, monthly? So this episode, I will create weekly, once a week, with all the new news that Amazon are launching, or it's all about like Amazon sellers. So if you're Amazon sellers, this is a perfect episode that you want to listen. So last week there's one of the big news that Amazon decided, this is for sellers. So Amazon decided to terminate all the first party sellers from their Amazon.com. If you are making, so they want to only keep first party if you're making more than $70 million per year. So if you are less than that, you are done. Amazon will give you a, you have to switch from first party to third party. And if you are looking agency that help you, guide you through the process, through the transition process, you can check out my agency, Exclusive INC. We've been doing 8 years, and right now we are producing $4 to $5 million per month for our client. This is one of the big news on Amazon for Amazon sellers. So those who don't know first party and third party, the first party is the Amazon vendor. So Amazon work with them directly and they become Amazon vendor. So Amazon own their inventory, buy their inventory upfront. And third party is you have a seller account, you sell product, right? So this is one of the big news. There's another big changes we saw on Amazon.com that what Amazon launched 6-7 months ago, there is an AI called Rufus AI Assistance, where like you go to Amazon, you will see the Amazon AI will popping up. And this is one of the game changers that, it will help you to make your buying experience more efficient. So as a sellers, how are you going to use that to optimize your product page? Okay. That's what we will reveal in our next episode, how you can use Rufus, which is one of the latest technology that Amazon bringing. And then if you stay tuned with me, I will create a lot of episode. We are doing a lot of testing on that Rufus, and this is pretty great news. As a seller, you can utilize this Rufus, and you can optimize your PDP, your product page, your listings, your A+ content, things like that. And stay tuned with me. This is so far the biggest news, and I will get back to breaking news every week. A simple 2 or 3 minutes video, and then I will see you next time. Thank you very much.